We guide you through how to delete your Facebook watch history. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Facebook app or go to the Facebook website and make sure you're logged in into your account. Then tap your profile icon or the three lines menu usually found at the top or bottom of your screen. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. From there, find and tap Activity Log where all your activity is stored. Next, look for videos you've watched or watch history. Once you're inside, you'll see a list of all the videos you've viewed. To delete a single video, tap the three dots beside it and select Delete. If you want to clear everything at once, just tap Clear Video Watch History and confirm your action. This will permanently remove all your watch videos so Facebook won't use them for recommendations anymore.